Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to how to log in YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into PM Svanidhi Bank, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for PM Svanidhi Bank login in Google. Now right after that you'll be able to see a link at top shown in the screen where you need to click on it, and you'll be redirected to the official page of PM Svanidhi Bank where you can see login option at top shown in the screen, where you need to click on it and click on applicant, and you will be redirected to the official login page of PM Svanidhi Bank where it is asking us for our mobile number and captcha. So let me show you an example. So yeah, once your credential is done, click to request OTP and enter the OTP code, and you will be able to log in. So basically this is how you can log into PM Svanidhi Bank, and if you still encounter any issue during the login process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.